This video, we want to talk about how we can use the MATLAB Copilot. So for using the MATLAB Copilot, you should have the MATLAB 2025 and newer version. But if you don't have that one, you can Google MATLAB Online, and then you can use the MATLAB Online, and then here you have the Copilot chat. So you can click Copilot chat, and this window will be open for you, or it's by default is open. So here you can ask Copilot anything that you want, and here we want to use this MATLAB Copilot for having some studies in power system. So for example, we can say that make the output of the photovoltaic power based on the temperature and solar radiation. You can use the following data. So here also you can provide some data. Here I have the temperature and radiation for 1 day. So you can make some input like this. And when you click submit, it automatically starts to generate the code. So the code is started generating. And then after it's finishing, there is some run code option here. So we can click on run code, and then here we can see it automatically make the code, and here you can see the radiation, temperature, and PV based on the thing that we provided. So it's code, and it's also is here. So you can also use that for other cases, for example, wind turbine or any kind of studies in power system. Here also, if you have some MATLAB file, and if you want to make some as a base, you want to use that here, you can add your files here, and after that it starts changing of the code, and if you ask it, can add something to your code.